Good day. I am Ismael Tabonyar Fortunado from Caloocan City, Philippines. I am an engineer, an electronics and communications engineer. I graduated at University of Santo Tomas, Manila, 2006. I am a student of an inventor. His name is Richard Vincent Narag. Then I became an inventor also. My first invention is the perpetual calendar for the Gregorian calendar. I also became a researcher. I am a member of National Research Council of the Philippines. Here are a few of my research articles. First is homophonics, a word or not, a linguistics paper, then cryptocalligraphy, a computer science paper. I have over 19 research articles over 15 different fields. I am also a book author. I wrote over 10 books. Here is one of my book. The title is Time, a collection of quotes. Then also I have 3 book chapters. I also enjoy writing poetry. I wrote over 300 poems. Here are also copies of my books. Thank you. That's all.